What's going on? You look so friendly. In the middle of shooting music video here in Atlanta. You know, guys, I saw this vibe too many times. On his Instagram, like too many times. Yeah.
I had to get you down here, man. Gotta get you in the A, man. Turning up in Atlanta, man. We from Cali though.
Right.
We're global, man. We going worldwide, man. We get well respected in every country.
Right.
Yeah.
I mean,
self-made shit.
we already got like Jamaica and Miami and LA, Atlanta, bro.
Colombia.
Colombia.
Yeah. Countries, man. Worldwide, self-made shit. Shout out to Yari, man. He's a good dude, straight.
Right.
Solid from the start, man. Always did wonderful work. That's why I still deal with him, and I continue to deal with him, and I always will.
Bro, sounds like a plan.
Yeah.
All right. Yo, I don't know why, but it looks like Austin, Texas. Probably for me, just I am like a tourist everywhere. It was dangerous. Let's keep it as close as possible because I got 2 music videos and too many footage and all my equipment right here. You know, this is my business. Everything is here except probably the light and laptop and stuff like that, but this is all I got. And more funny thing about Georgia and Atlanta, you know, I feel like I'm a tourist right here because I have an accent and a Russian accent and people just look at me like, hey, who is this guy? Because for me, it looks like I'm only tourist, you know, on the next, you know, few blocks or something like this. And if I just started to speak with someone, people just like, hey, who is this guy? But I think actually not, because this is only in my mind, you know what I mean? And what I'm doing right now, I'm just walking, because you know, I have a few hours before I'll go to the airport, because I just come here for only one day. Of course, I wish I had much more time, like I told you too many times. And you know, this place is very cool. But I don't see any palms, you know, this makes me crazy because I was like, where's the all palms? You know, I used to live in LA 2 years and now I live in Miami and, you know, palms for me, it's like everything. This is part of my soul. But what I really like, if you see like those stones, the red stones, I don't know how to explain it, but you can see it like everywhere. It really, really surprised me because in Miami and in LA, most of buildings looks, you know, different. And let me know, guys, if I'm just saying something crazy, but for me, you know, the buildings like this, people should stay in the place where the winter season is crazy, like in Russia, for example, because I'm from Russia, and you know, we have those like red stones. I don't know this word, probably you know, let me know, please. I'm still thinking this is a part of Texas or something. I don't know, probably this is because Republican state and I didn't see a lot of homeless people and the streets, you know, they looks clean. Probably this is because downtown only, I don't know. And when I was looking for a place for living, it was like in April or something, 2021. You know, when I just broke up a relationship with my ex-girlfriend and I made the decision to visit more places, like something. And yeah, I just thought about to visit Georgia as well, because you know, a lot of people who want to shoot music videos, and this is what I do. I mean, all this stuff right behind me, you know, this is all my equipment. I have some lights and, you know, a drone that I just didn't bring with me for this time, but that's mean. Oh, what the fuck is that? Oh wow, look at this. It looks like the Olympic sign or something, like the Park Hill. Oh wow. Yeah, it's like wow. So where were we? Never mind. I'm just trying to tell you that, you know, this is a very interesting place who want to create something. You know, a lot of talented people and artists and songwriters, DJs and stuff like that. So if you're a freelancer or if you just make some, you know, very cool content, you know, probably you have to visit this place as well. So I'm very happy that I finally, you know, arrived here. It's my first time. And it looks like I have to go back to my home, to Miami, because I live here. And what can I say about Atlanta? You know, this city is really interesting for me. A lot of opportunities, friendly people, clean streets, and this is what I like, right? And the idea of this vlog is, you know guys, sometimes we are able to travel somewhere, we are able to make some good money. What the reason why you make this money? I mean, after you pay for your rent, after you pay for your bills, for like different utilities, for your you know, food and cars and stuff like that, what else? Because for me, if I work very hard, I need to spend money for something that get me more inspiration and get more emotions. And so this week, or probably last 2 weeks, you know, they were a little bit unsuccessful. I don't know why. I just didn't get much clients, I didn't get, you know, much money, and I was a little bit upset about it. Of course I'm scared sometimes, because, you know, this is my personal business, and if I work at myself as a freelancer, you know, or if my friend just give me some clients like, you know, I'm shooting today, I mean, it doesn't matter. I mean, I just try to do what I really love, and I also want to make money with that. And this is, you know, what the USA can give you at all. For me, it was an amazing opportunity, you know, to go to Atlanta. Of course, I just spent, you know, all my days, and also I will fly back. Looks like I woke up like 24 hours ago and I'm still on my hands, so which is a little bit crazy. And I don't care, because, you know, for me it's inspiration. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you got, you know, some emotion on this video. Please put a thumbs up and make sure that you destroy this subscribe button. And I'll see you next time, guys, in the next video. Всем пока.